The start of school means our lives just got a whole lot crazier. But just because we're busy doesn't mean we can't prepare delicious meals in no time. My go-to meal hack is building easy DIY bowls. They come with less stress, fewer dishes, and a mealtime that everyone loves. My trick for full flavored meals in a snap includes Bush's Sidekicks. They feature high-quality beans in a rich, savory sauce, pre-seasoned and slow simmered, making them a convenient addition to bowls. Just heat and serve to add flavor and hearty satisfaction to any meal. How about a taco salad bowl with Bush's Sidekicks Taco Fiesta black beans? This fresh and flavorful salad bowl unites zesty ground beef or chicken and saucy black beans for a protein-rich dish perfect for taco night. Or try Mediterranean grain bowl. This is made with Bush's Sidekicks rustic Tuscany chickpeas, grilled chicken, and olives on a bed of greens and grains. And my steak burrito bowl combines skirt steak, salsa, guac, and a bed of cilantro lime rice with Bush's Sidekicks Southwest Zest pinto beans to give you the perfect kick of spice and flavor.
Find more information at bushbeans.com or Bush's Beans on X, Facebook, and Instagram.